This is known as the Watch Power. It's an AMOLED screen smartwatch in always-on analog watch display. Twist your wrist, you can light it up into whatever face you select, and there's a beautiful, colorful collections of these. You've got control panel with all kinds of activities, flashlight, brightness levels, twist your wrist. Even you can tap that button and shake the water out of it. Yep, it's full IP68 waterproof and Bluetooth calling on this one. When you come across, you get all these different things showing you closing circles on your calories, your number of minutes exercised per day, and how many times you've stood up and walked around per hour or per day. Here's your step count information, and you've got all these different measurements, your heart rate, your blood oxygen, and your relaxation figure, which they're constantly monitoring. Last night's sleep time is visible for you. You've got the different workouts, and walking, running, cycling, and other types of sports that move in a trajectory integrate with the installed GPS module in here that measures 5 different satellite systems. Really nice. You can set the city you want your weather forecast and information in and get that directly. A music player that will control the music on your phone with the sound coming out of the phone. Alexa, where you can actually activate through your interface with Alexa and be able to control lights in your house or whatever you'd like to do. Swiping up gets you any notifications sent from your phone to the watch. When you tap the lower button, you get the list of all of your different activities, and there's a whole bunch you can choose from and add to and subtract from the watch if you want to. Tapping up above now, you get into all of your apps, and there's a lot. Your activity, workout status, running courses. Look at this. You can set up different running courses with this one. Your workouts and your workout records are shown in here if you have any. You can push for measurement. That's what we saw right here, all those different measurements. You can do separately your heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress. There's another category called body energy, and it's showing you throughout the day what your energy level is. Very sophisticated. Sleep information and breath training. Ladies, your cycle information's there. This is new. Ambient sound. It's now actually going to listen to what it's picking up in the background and show you how loud it is and plot that on an hourly graph from midnight to midnight and show you some information about it as well. It just vibrated. The average over that short time was 68 decibels. I guess I can get pretty loud. Phone calling, Alexa, barometers in this one, compasses in this one. Yep, really, really nice. All that stuff is built into this one. Very made for the adventurer out there who'd like to play with it. In addition, you've got a thing called the Pomodoro technique. Event reminders, weather and camera, and alarms and timers and stopwatch that actually will run in the background. It's still running. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah, you've got a world clock capability, basic stuff, flashlight, and overall settings. With the change in the different watch faces and custom ones you can download from the app, it really does give it a lot of flexibility for you. Super thin speaker microphone for your phone calling, and of course always on AMOLED screen display. It's very impressive. It's called the Watch Power. Check it out.